While you're doing a bit of spring cleaning, why not spring clean the background or wallpaper on your portal? So if you are interested, it is as easy as a right click and change background. Then it brings you to your settings, and it brings it straight to themes. So you can go through the themes and look through the different themes if you would like to. Default, some of us might be getting a little older and want it larger. Some of us might still have that young spring chicken eyeballs and want the smaller app size. You can do a text shadow behind the text itself. So here's what I'm really talking about is the palettes. You can change the color. This gives you all kinds of different solid colors that you can use. And what that does, so just so that you know this, is the palette itself, that changes that trim right there and then the trim along and different parts of like accents and things like that. The wallpaper brings you to default, custom, or color. And these bring you to your own color. You could bring in whatever color you'd like. You can bring in whatever artwork. This is a little tricky because the size is real important. It can't be too small, it can't be too big. Let me also caution you, if you do use some of these pictures, they're beautiful and they're great and they'll make you think of vacations of past days, but they can also be very confusing, if you get some that just have too wild a picture on it, some of your icons can't be seen. So just be extra careful when you do that. So change your wallpaper to spring clean just a bit. Hope that helps.